The electric car market is about to change forever. After years of rumors, leaks, and speculation, Tesla has officially delivered the Model 2 in 2026 with a starting price of just $15,990. Yes, you heard that right. This is the most affordable Tesla ever made, and what's inside this compact EV is something even Elon Musk didn't expect people to notice so quickly. For years, Tesla fans and industry experts believed that a truly affordable Tesla would require massive compromises. Smaller battery, weak performance, cheap interior, and limited technology. But the Model 2 tells a very different story. Tesla didn't just make a cheaper car. They rethought how a car should be built from the ground up. The first thing that shocks people is the design. The Tesla Model 2 doesn't look like a budget car. It carries a clean, futuristic shape inspired by the Model 3 and Model Y, but with a shorter wheelbase and tighter proportions designed for city driving. The aerodynamic body helps maximize efficiency, and despite its compact size, it still looks unmistakably Tesla. Up front, there's no traditional grille, just a smooth panel that improves airflow. The LED headlights are sharp and modern, and the minimal body lines give it a premium appearance. From the side, the flush door handles and sleek roofline make it look far more expensive than its price suggests.
But the real surprise begins when you step inside.
Tesla has completely redesigned the interior experience for the Model 2. The cabin is minimal, but not cheap. Materials are carefully selected to reduce cost without sacrificing quality. The seats are comfortable, supportive, and designed using sustainable materials. There's plenty of headroom and legroom for a compact car, making it practical for everyday use. At the center of the dashboard is a large touchscreen that controls almost everything. This is not a stripped-down system. It runs Tesla's latest software with navigation, media streaming, over-the-air updates, and voice commands. The interface is fast, smooth, and familiar to anyone who has used a modern Tesla. One of the biggest talking points is what Tesla removed. There is no traditional instrument cluster behind the steering wheel. Instead, driving information is displayed in a clean, simplified layout on the main screen. This reduces production complexity and keeps costs low while still delivering a modern driving experience. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where many people expected disappointment. The Tesla Model 2 is not a sports car, but it is far from slow. Thanks to its lightweight design and efficient electric motor, acceleration is quick enough for daily driving, merging, and city traffic. It feels responsive, smooth, and easy to control. Tesla focused on real-world usability rather than extreme speed, and that decision makes sense for this price point. The driving range is another pleasant surprise. Tesla engineered the Model 2 to deliver a competitive range suitable for daily commuting and weekend trips. While it doesn't aim to match long-range models like the Model Y, it offers enough distance on a single charge to eliminate range anxiety for most drivers. Charging is fast and convenient, especially when using Tesla's supercharger network. This gives Model 2 owners access to one of the most reliable charging infrastructures in the world, something many competitors simply cannot match. Safety is another area where Tesla refused to cut corners. The Model 2 includes advanced driver assistance features, collision avoidance systems, automatic emergency braking, and lane-keeping technology. Tesla's cameras and sensors continuously monitor the surroundings, making the car safer in busy urban environments. This level of safety technology at this price point is almost unheard of. And yes, Tesla has confirmed that software updates will continue to improve the car over time. That means the Model 2 you buy today could become even better tomorrow, just like other Tesla vehicles. Now here's the part that surprised Elon Musk himself. People expected the Model 2 to feel like an entry-level Tesla. Instead, early owners and reviewers started pointing out how refined and thoughtfully engineered it actually is. The simplicity isn't a downgrade. It's intentional. Every component has a purpose. Every feature is optimized for cost, efficiency, and usability. Tesla also introduced new manufacturing techniques to make this car possible. Large single-piece castings, simplified wiring, and a more efficient battery design drastically reduced production costs. These innovations allowed Tesla to lower the price without sacrificing quality. This car is not just about Tesla. It's about the future of the automotive industry. At under $16,000, the Model 2 puts serious pressure on gasoline cars and other electric vehicles. It makes EV ownership accessible to millions of people who were previously priced out of the market. Students, young professionals, families, and first-time car buyers now have a realistic entry point into electric driving. And that's exactly why this car matters. The Tesla Model 2 isn't trying to be the fastest, the biggest, or the most luxurious Tesla ever made. It's trying to be the most important one. A car that changes how people think about affordability, sustainability, and technology. As deliveries continue and more real-world data comes in, one thing is clear. This car is already shaking the industry. Competitors are watching closely, and traditional automakers are feeling the pressure. So the big question now is this. Will the Tesla Model 2 become the best-selling electric car of the decade? Or will competitors catch up fast enough to challenge Tesla's lead? Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you buy the Tesla Model 2 at this price? And if you enjoyed this deep dive into Tesla's most affordable EV ever, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car news, reviews, and future tech updates.